What if the water you drink, the air you breathe, and even the food you eat are secretly carrying a toxic burden? It's not a sci-fi movie plot. It's the reality of industrial pollution, and it's happening right now. Every day, industries release a cocktail of chemicals into our environment. This isn't just about smokestacks and dirty water. It's about our health. These toxic wastes are linked to serious diseases like cancer, asthma, and severe lung infections. The very air we need to survive is being contaminated, making us sick. And it doesn't stop there. The soil our food grows in is also at risk. When toxic materials from industrial sites seep into the ground, they contaminate the soil and groundwater. This reduces the fertility of the land, leading to lower agricultural yields. The crops that do grow can absorb these toxins, meaning we might be consuming contaminated food without even knowing it, leading to a whole new set of health problems. This pollution is also supercharging global warming. The gases released from industrial processes trap heat in our atmosphere, causing global temperatures to rise. This leads to melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and more frequent and intense natural disasters like tsunamis and hurricanes. The changing climate is also pushing many animal and fish species to the brink of extinction. Our planet's wildlife is paying a heavy price. Industrial activities often destroy natural habitats, forcing animals out of their homes. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, countless species are facing extinction because their environments are being poisoned and destroyed. The green cover of our planet, the forests and plants that help regulate temperature and produce oxygen, is also shrinking at an alarming rate due to unregulated industrial expansion. Think about our rivers and lakes. When industrial waste, full of toxic substances, is dumped into water bodies, it becomes unsafe for drinking, bathing, or even recreation. This pollution also decimates aquatic life, destroying the habitats where fish and other creatures live and breed. Sometimes, the wastewater is rich in organic matter, causing massive algae blooms. These blooms suck all the oxygen out of the water, creating dead zones where nothing can survive. And some of these pollutants are terrifyingly potent. Take mercury, for example. When industries release it, it can contaminate water sources. If people drink this water, it can cause numbness in the lips and tongue, blurred vision, and even severe mental disorders. The picture seems grim, but it's not hopeless. By raising awareness, supporting sustainable industries, and demanding stricter regulations, we can start to turn the tide. It's about making conscious choices and holding polluters accountable. The health of our planet and our own health depends on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe for more content that matters. Let's work together for a cleaner, safer future.